What's up, Vikes? I'm Bethany, and you're watching SVTV.
We are making stories by teens, for teens. Creating a platform, finding character, and giving others a voice. This is SVTV.
Grab-and-go lunches are available at the middle school. Sophomores, if you would like to be a mentor for the upcoming freshmen, then make sure to fill out the application that is to be found on your Schoology Class of 2020 page. Let's see how some students feel about online schooling.
Now that students have had time to adjust to online classes, we asked them what their favorite part of online school is. Many students appreciate how they can work at their own pace and set their own schedule. Not only can they control their learning schedule, but students now have the ability to control their sleep schedule. Because of this, many students are enjoying being able to sleep in throughout the week. However, some students still do not appreciate virtual learning at all. No matter how you feel about online school, make sure to continue to work hard. Now, back to the show.
Those are some great responses. It's a little colder out here than it was at the beginning of the week. Let's see how the rest of the week is going to turn out after these quick commercial breaks.
What's up, guys? It's your guy, Elias Mosier here, and hey, I got a great product for you. It's called SVTV live streaming, okay? We want to get this done so we can see all those sports like Go Touchdown Bowl, man. Like, get a strike, my dude, in golf. Like, these great sports. If you want to see them live, all you gotta do is go down and hit that subscribe button. Just smash that subscribe button, guys. Don't forget to turn on that bell notification and like the video. Thanks, guy. See you later.
I don't think I'm gonna go to work. I think I might get somebody else sick. I'm just gonna stay home.
Good afternoon, Vikings. All of the really hot temperatures have finally left, and we are going to start leveling out into the 60s area for the next upcoming weeks. And rain will possibly be interrupting these next weeks. For Easter, though, we do have an 80% chance of rain, and we are expecting quite a bit of thunderstorms throughout the whole day. So unfortunately, we won't be able to spend much time outside for Easter. For SVTV's 7-day forecast, we do have a chance of reaching up into the 70s later this week, but our temperatures will drop back down, reaching into the 40s by Monday. Now back to your anchor.
Thanks, Zoey. I'm getting a little hungry. Let's see what Savannah made. Those brownies look amazing. That's all we have for today, Vikes. Have a great rest of your day.
I hate this chair. No!